going to show you how to add text to images or photos on your OnePlus 15. So go to your gallery and pick any photo. So for instance, if I pick this one and I want to add some text to this photo, I'll just tap on the edit button. And on the editor, if you scroll, you will see either markup or text. So with markup, you can actually write with your own finger, but with text, you can actually type the text you want. So for instance, I can come here and say, and call this like that, and then tap on the check mark, and then I can now use this to drag the text where I want it. I can rotate the text. Okay, I can expand this text, make it bigger, just adjust the font. I can also adjust the color. So let me just make it a bit straight like that. I can change the color of that text. I can make it bold. All right, and then once I'm done and I'm happy with everything, I just tap on the done button, and that's basically how to add text. If you like it, just tap on save, and I'm going to choose to save a copy. Thanks for watching and good luck.